In addition to arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators, Python also provides special operators for manipulating strings. String operators allows us to perform operations on strings such as string concatenation, string repetition, string comparison, string membership operators, and string slicing. Let's take a look at these topics with the help of some examples. First, we will create a new Python file called string operators. We will right-click on the source folder in the Project Explorer and create a new Python file named string operators. First, let's have a look at string concatenation. The plus operator can be used to combine or concatenate two or more strings into one. Let's understand this using an example. First, we'll create two variables, first name equals John and last name equals Doe. Then the full name of John will be first name followed by the last name. In Python, we use the plus operator to concatenate both these strings. Hence, we'll write the statement full name equals first name plus a space to differentiate between the first name and the last name plus the last name. Let's print this to see the output. We use print full name. Let's run the script and check the output. As you can see, the output is John space Doe. So this is how we can concatenate two or more strings. Next, we have string repetition. The asterisk or the star symbol allows us to repeat a string certain number of times. For example, if we have a new variable like word equals hello with a space at the end, and let's say we want to repeat it 3 times, we declare another variable for repeating, which is repeat counter equals 3. And then to get the repeated word, we simply use the star operator. Repeated word equals word times 3. Now to see the results, we write print repeated word. Now let's run the script again to check the output. As you can see, hello followed by a space is printed 3 times in succession. This is how we can repeat a string. Next up, we have string comparison or relational operators. Just like with numbers, we can compare strings using relational operators. For example, if we have two strings like fruit1 equals apple and fruit2 equals banana, then, similar to the examples that we saw earlier, we'll write some print statements and check the result of string comparison. First, we have the equality operator. Print fruit1 equals fruit2. Next, we have the inequality operator. Fruit1 not equal to fruit2. Next, we have the greater than operator. Print fruit1 greater than fruit2. Then the less than operator. Print fruit1 less than fruit2. Then we have the greater than equal to operator. Print fruit1 greater than or equal to fruit2. Then we have the less than equal to operator. Print fruit1 less than or equal to fruit2. Now let's run the script and check the output. As you can see, since apple is not equal to banana, this condition resolves to false. Next, since both these strings are not equal, it resolves to true. When comparing strings in Python, Python doesn't compare them based on their length or content as a whole. Instead, it compares strings character by character based on the order of their appearance in the English alphabet. This means Python compares strings a single character at a time based on the Unicode value of the characters. In this example, the first character of both the strings apple and banana, that is A from apple and B from banana, are compared. Then the next character P from apple and A from banana will be compared, and so on. The second and further comparisons are only done if the condition does not resolve itself. This condition resolves to false because the Unicode value of A is less than that of B. The Unicode value of small a is 97, of small b is 98, and of small c is 99, and so on. Similarly, the Unicode values for capital A is 65, capital B is 66, and capital C is 67, and so on. Python uses these Unicode values to check for comparisons between strings. So here the condition evaluates to false because the Unicode value of A, which is 97, is less than the Unicode value of B, which is 98. Since the condition already resolves to false, no further comparisons are done. In the next condition, apple less than banana, the Unicode value of A, which is 97, is less than the Unicode value of B, which is 98. In this case, the condition resolves to true and no further comparisons are done. Similarly, since 97 is neither greater than or equal to 98, the condition evaluates to false. And in the last one, 97 is less than the Unicode value of B, which is 98, the condition resolves to true. Next, we have membership operators. By using the keywords in and not in, Python allows us to check if a substring exists within a string. For example, let's create a variable sentence with the value "the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." Now let's test the in and not in operators. First we have print quick in sentence. Next, print slow not in sentence. And last but not the least, print quick with a capital Q in sentence. Time to run the script again and check the results. The first example returns true because quick with a small q is present in the sentence. In the second example, slow is not present in the sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, so this condition returns false. And lastly, since capital Q is not the same as small q and is not present in the sentence, this returns false. Next, we have string slicing or indexing. In addition to operators, string slicing and indexing allow us to extract specific parts of a string. Let's see this example. We need to create a variable with the string value hello world. How can we extract the word hello from the string variable text? For this, we write extracted variable is text and within brackets 0:5. What does 0:5 mean? If you look at the variable text that has the value hello, world exclamation, it is made up of different individual characters like H, E, L, L, O, comma, space, and so on. And each of these characters have a special arrangement. Each character has a position assigned to it starting from 0. At position 0, we have H. At position 1, we have E. At position 2, we have L. At position 3, we have L. At position 4, we have O. At position 5, we have comma. At position 6, we have space, and so on. So text and within brackets 0:5 means that we take the characters from the position 0 and take the first 5 characters. So what happens when we run the script? So as we can see, the result is hello, which is the first 5 characters of the string stored in the variable text. In this module, we learned about different operators and how to use them in Python. In the next module, we will learn about control flow statements. Thank you.